So a problem with giving students a test is how do you know that the questions you asked them were valid? How do you know they weren't biased? How do you know the student didn't misread it? How do you know they weren't worded trickly? I think we've all been in that situation when we read something, a test question, and like we know the answer, we know what we're doing, but the question just worded so poorly, or the question, the answer choices are just it's too hard to pick which ones they're trying to, it's like they're trying to trick you. And so it's not about measuring what the student knows as much as playing some sort of a cruel game. So be aware that if you are going to give tests and you're going to give quizzes, be aware that there's a chance that your questions are just not statistically valid. They haven't been vetted, they're not, no one's done a scientific study on them, and students can misread or misinterpret your readings, especially if they're not first language student learners or if they're English language learners. They might just misunderstand the question. Is it fair to assess them when is that testing their knowledge or just testing whether or not they understood how the question was worded? Those are two different things.